Good morning. How y'all doing this morning? Amen. Welcome to Healers National. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, select all. So we definitely got like some kind of family situation here, okay? Either like a Queen of Cups or Queen of Wands, okay? Definitely, if it's not a Queen of Cups, if it's not a Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, it's like a motherly figure here, okay? And that's the truth, okay? This Queen of Wands energy definitely slayed their enemy here, okay? Or you slayed this person. Now somebody's definitely going to have to walk away here, okay? This is definitely somebody from the family here, okay? But they see you're moving on the calmer waters here, okay? It's either a Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, or Aries, Leo, Sag here, okay? It could be both, but definitely like a family dynamic here, okay? They say that you moved on to calmer waters here and you've been out here planting good seeds, okay? So that's what we got with this, okay? Maybe these people maybe want to move on to calmer waters with you, because you definitely defeated them here, okay? This motherly energy, okay, this Queen of Wands energy, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. But I definitely think somebody's like reflecting on this as well. Somebody may even have a crystal ball as well, trying to look into your life with a crystal ball. Alright, Spirit, what else we got for the collective? This is for all signs. Some things may resonate, some things may not. So take what resonates, y'all, and leave the rest here, okay? Hopefully y'all are having a blessed and wonderful morning, amen. This person is definitely a con artist here. This person from your family here, okay? This Queen of Cups energy. This Aries, Leo, Sagittarius here. They see you that you done slayed them and you moved away from them in a situation, okay? Because you know these people are con artists here, okay? Somebody's grandfather left you will money or a house here, okay? And I think definitely these people, this family dynamic, definitely try to take this from you. If they didn't already take this from you, they definitely were trying here, okay? And these con artists were determined to take what was left for you here, okay? Amen. Yeah, nothing that these people are doing is working here, okay? I feel like definitely you will get back anything that was taken from you here, okay? Because definitely this is a very toxic family, this is a very toxic family dynamic here, okay? And you definitely defeated these people here. This family, this Queen of Cups energy, this Aries, Leo, Sagittarius here. The ATF could be definitely watching these people as well here, okay? These people were definitely doing water magic as well here, okay? That's amen. They're thieves. They're thieves and they're con artists here, okay? Amen. Alright, Spirit, what do we have for the collective, please? What else do we have for the collective, please? It could definitely be a Leo that was trying to pop out here. Definitely drugs and alcohol is, these people are definitely on drugs and alcohol as well. Like I said, it could be an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, definitely, but it could be like a mother figure too, with the Queen of Cups, so it could be like a mother figure and an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or this person could be one person. But I feel like we're dealing kind of with like in some situations I feel like we're dealing with a Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio female and an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius female here, okay? And then for others of you, it's this Aries, Leo, Sagittarius mother figure, okay? But this is definitely like a family dynamic of people here, okay? And these people are definitely on drugs and alcohol here, okay? These people are definitely on drugs and alcohol. And they're con artists and they're thieves here, okay? The evidence is stacking up here for these people, okay? know that you are protected, and whatever these people think they're getting away with, you already slayed them, okay? But there's an actual investigation going on, and the evidence is stacking up on these people here, okay? I feel like these people have been being watched for a while, and they don't think they have been. I think they're in denial. Ooh. Somebody's also going to be passing away within 24 hours here. Okay. Could definitely be one of these thieves, these con artists here, okay? Definitely somebody from somebody's family, okay? How are these, what? Okay, we also have somebody here that's lying about their name as well, okay? There could also be a male nephew or son involved in this as well here, okay? So all these people, the evidence is stacking up, okay? Ooh. Okay, man. Okay, somebody here is about to become an overnight celebrity, so congratulations on that, okay, amen? What? Alright, Spirit, what else do we have the collective? What do they need to know, please, amen? Ooh. Somebody here, your child loves you, so if you were feeling like your child didn't love you in a situation, just know that your child does love you, okay? So we got the police watching these people and the ATF, okay? So we got the ATF and the ATF. The ATF and the police are watching these people, okay? These con artists here, okay? This Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio female, this Aries, Leo, Sagittarius female, and this male nephew or son here, okay? Wait, male nephew or cousin. Okay, these people definitely know that you're the boss here, okay? And somebody's definitely got some money coming soon here, okay? With these con artists, with these thieves, with this, like, family dynamic try to take from you, okay? Yeah, these people definitely wanted you broke, homeless, or dead here in this situation, but that's not going to happen. And see, whatever they put out for you is definitely what's coming back for them, and that's why somebody's definitely fixing to pass away within 24 hours here, okay? Because the deck is Scorpio and the moon. What? There's definitely a Scorpio involved. I cut the deck to Scorpio, I started shuffling, and then literally Scorpio popped over when I started shuffling, okay? The Scorpio definitely changed their fate and their destiny here, okay? The Scorpio definitely changed their... Okay. There's a dirty police involved as well, okay? I don't know if it's just Scorpio, or that could be two different people. There's definitely a Scorpio that changed their fate and destiny, and there's a dirty police officer here, okay? This dirty officer could definitely be obsessed with you here. Yeah, the Scorpio, this dirty police here, these people are definitely under investigation here, okay? Excuse me, amen. And these people definitely done magic on the officials here, okay? It definitely could be the Scorpio. And it's also this dirty police officer could have done magic on the other officials as well here, okay? These people are under investigation. They're obsessed, and they done change their fate and their destiny here, okay? Warrants are going to be issued in this situation, okay? There definitely could be a Cancer that's involved as well. Alright, Spirit, what else do you have for the collective, please? Yeah, you're holding back from these people, okay? These people curse or hex themselves for generations here, okay? So it's good that you're holding back from these people, because they're definitely going through their karma here, okay? Even these dirty officers, okay? Warrants are being issued, and we got the wheel here, okay? The wheels are not going in these people's favor. And that's a yes with the Sun card here. And the Moon. All their secrets are being exposed. We have a karmic male here as well in this situation. This person could be the Emperor, okay? Because just somebody's an Emperor doesn't mean they're a good Emperor here, okay? This is definitely a karmic male, okay? You done went through a death and a rebirth in this situation. These people, this karmic male. What's up with this karmic male? He might be trying to go through this death and this rebirth here now as well. I don't know. But these people then already changed their fate and their destiny here. This could be, there's friends here involved, or this Emperor could be a friend of yours here. This person definitely could be a narcissist as well. Amen. Amen. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, select all. Okay. Yeah, these people are addicts. We had the drugs and alcohols card come out, and these people are definitely addicts here, okay? There could be a Leo as well involved in this, and this Leo could be sick or is in bad health here, okay? I know a couple of y'all watching my videos. Hit subscribe, hit that like button, hit that thumbs up button. Amen. What? Alright, Spirit, what else do we have for the collective, please, here? Okay, somebody could drive a Chevy, Jeep, or Mitsubishi here, okay? This person is definitely married to their phone. We have an H. We have Ezekiel. Somebody, like I said, drives a Chevy, Jeep, or Mitsubishi. They're definitely married to the phone. The name starts with an H. We have the name Ezekiel as well here. What's up with these people? These people are Masons and Eastern Stars here, okay? Which one of these were supposed to come out? Okay, we have death here, so somebody's definitely fixing to pass away, because we had death here. We have death here, okay, and we had somebody's going to pass away within 24 hours. Yeah, these people definitely have some mental health issues going on here, okay. This H person or Ezekiel here, these Masons, the Easter Stars, okay. We have a C here as well. There will be results coming soon to this situation, okay? Helicopter, y'all. Yo! Listen, right? I heard the helicopter out here this morning above my house. I told you I'd be, like, getting gang stalked by helicopters and airplanes, right, amen, and drones. But literally, I heard the helicopter was above, confirmation, I heard the helicopter above my house this morning. So this C person definitely got some mental health issues and results coming soon. This may be a reading for me, but it could be also a reading for somebody else too here, okay? With the helicopter. What? Amen. Somebody's an undercover cop here, okay? What? Amen. Okay. We have the name Amir. Amir. Spirit just put the vision, okay, of John, there's a comedian out there. Fluffy, I think his name is Fluffy. And when I just seen that, I don't know why they just started making me laugh, because I had a vision of the Fluffy, the comedian, and he's on stage and he's like, drunk people, you're either a good drunk or a bad drunk, and then be like, hey, mirror. I don't know. It was funny though. That's just popping. They just showed me a vision of that, so that was funny. Amen. So definitely somebody could be a drinker. Okay, with them showing me that. Hey, mirror. Somebody's definitely under judgment here. A mirror could definitely be under judgment here. Okay. And this C person that's got mental health issues. Okay, with the helicopter. People are definitely under judgment. Ooh. There's definitely a child molester girlfriend here. I don't know if it's a C person or this Amir. Child molester girlfriend, please. We have a black sheep here, okay? Who's this child molester girlfriend? Hey! Mirror! What? Yeah, see, we got undercover cop and we got wearing a wire. So somebody's definitely an undercover popo and somebody's definitely wearing a wire. Somebody also rented out your house, okay? Who rented out the house? Who rented out the collective's house? Somebody that took your inheritance or tried to take your inheritance. They did if they rented out your house, okay? Somebody left you a house here, okay? This is a Cancer energy here, okay? Yeah, these people definitely have attachments here with this demons and devils here, okay? Undercover copy mirror, under judgment. Okay. Somebody named Larry could definitely have some demons or devils attached to them here, okay? Larry could have cheated. The cable guy could have cheated, y'all, amen. Larry the cable guy, right, amen. What? So Larry could have cheated here, okay? Maybe with a J or Jason? Is it, which name was supposed to come out? Let's see. It's supposed to be both of these? Okay, so we have Larry cheated with Jay or Jason or Bo here, okay? So we have Bo and Jay and Jason and Larry. So we have a Chevy, Jeep, Mitsubishi, okay? This person is married to their phone here. We have the letter H, okay? Somebody could definitely be fixing and passed away because for what the stuff that they have done here. Somebody's definitely got mental health issues. We have the letter C here, okay? There's definitely results coming soon to this situation. A helicopter could be significant to a situation, okay, as well. Somebody's an undercover cop here, okay? We have the name Amir or the C person, okay? Amir, this person definitely, somebody's under judgment here, okay? We have a child molester girlfriend here, okay? That's definitely under judgment, okay? This is a black sheep, okay? Somebody's definitely wearing a wire here, okay? And somebody rented out your house. And either took your inheritance or is trying to take your inheritance, okay? This person could definitely be a Cancer, okay? Or has cancer here, okay? This person definitely has some attachments here as well, okay? And then we have Larry cheated with either Bo or Jay or Jason here, okay? I was sleeping with another man. The down low happening to me all over again. And then I heard the TV say, wait, yeah. What? Amen. Somebody could drive an SUV in a situation. Somebody definitely constantly lies here, okay? The down low happening to me all over again. And then I heard a squeaky sound. Dang, now I want to listen to that song, right, amen? Yeah, there's definitely a grandmother that constantly lies here, okay? A grandmother is a liar. This grandmother constantly lies. Was that supposed to come out? No. Okay, that just fell out. We have Angelique. So Angelique is this grandmother, I guess, that constantly lies, or it's Angelique's grandmother that constantly lies. Okay, something is significant about a school. I don't know if somebody works for the school. I don't know if Angelique works for the school, or Angelique is his grandmother, or if it's Angelique's grandmother, but somebody definitely constantly lies, and somebody definitely could work for a school. We have Egypt ties here as well. Yeah, amen. Yeah, this could definitely be on the East Coast here, okay? They said stop exposing me. So this grandmother or this grandmother or Angelique here, these people constantly lie here, okay? Somebody could work out of school or something like that, okay? That is significant. These people live on the East Coast. They want me to stop exposing them, but I'm not going to. Okay, we have the name Chelsea here as well. Somebody could have a white vehicle, or somebody's name could be white. White car. We have the name Woods as well. We have white and we have Woods. We have Brady. We have an Earth Angel here. There could be an Earth Angel that's in jail right now. Or these people are going to jail for coming after an Earth Angel here. Who's in jail? Fernando? Fernando could be in jail. Okay, so we got somebody that drives a Chevy, Jeep, or Mitsubishi. They're married to their phone here, okay? We have an H, and we have the name Ezekiel. These people are Mason and Eastern Stars, okay? Somebody could definitely be fixing to pass away here. Somebody's definitely got some mental health issues as well here, y'all. Amen, okay? We have letter C here as well, okay? Results are definitely coming soon in this situation here, okay? And there's a helicopter that's significant, okay? We have an undercover cop, okay? The C person could be an undercover cop or a mirror here, but definitely somebody's under judgment here. It could be this Amir person, and it would definitely be a child molester girlfriend here, okay? They're coming after this black sheep, or this person is definitely the black sheep if they're a child molester girlfriend here, okay? Excuse me, amen. Somebody's wearing a wire as well, okay? Somebody rented out your house, and you're trying to take your inheritance here, okay? Somebody could have cancer, or somebody's a cancer sign, okay? These people definitely have demons or devils attached to them, okay? We have the name Larry that cheated with either Jay or Jason or a Bo here, okay? Somebody could drive an SUV or some kind of truck like that, or a van or something. Somebody definitely constantly lies here. We have a grandmother that constantly lies here, okay? And there's somebody that's named Angelique that's connected to a school as well, okay? Somebody also lives on the East Coast, and they want me to stop exposing them, and I'm not, okay? We have the name Chelsea. We have the name White, or the color White. We have the name Woods. We have Brady. Okay, we have an Earth Angel. Okay, and then somebody's either in jail or fixing to go to jail, and we have the name Fernando, okay? That's what I got for y'all, alright? Please like, share, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, select all. Y'all have a blessed day, amen. What?